Alrighty. I don't think I've done this much talking in a very, very long time. So, alright. So this is from Lavish Home Collection. So this is a house product. And I think this is the last of the house product that I bought. Take a break. I'm just kidding. So like I said, I love Halloween. Oh, and I'm a huge fan of tumblers. I mean, it's ridiculous. Everywhere I go, I need to buy a tumbler. My cabinets are just filled with tumblers. But that's just a fun fact. This movie petrifies me. It's it. I haven't seen the second one yet, but the original one, I couldn't even finish it because it just petrifies me. The one that did come out recently, I did enjoy. Bill Skarsgård, I think his name is, did a pretty good job. So I'm actually looking forward to seeing the second one. I'll probably see it tomorrow, being it's Friday the 13th. I know, so many issues, but like I said, I love Halloween. I probably like Halloween more than I like my own birthday. So, okay, seriously? Alright. Did I even make any kind of attempt to do any damage to this? Oh, it's gonna be one of those. Great. A tape over a tape over another tape. I got it, I got it. Now, I realized that before I make another video, I'm gonna have scissors prepared because it smells like, I don't know, it smells weird. Okay, so this is this is my hamper. No hamper. Now this hamper has wheels. I know. Oh my god. You're in an apartment. Your room is right there. The laundry room is right there. Why would you need to have wheels? I've just always wanted one with wheels. Jeez. So it's gray. I think it's already kind of made. All you gotta do is just put the rods in and pretty simple. The wheels are already attached, which is a plus, because putting wheels on, that's not fun. I mean, I hate assembling things. I know I have a husband, but, you know, it's just, actually, fun fact, is I've built most of the items here. Well, some of it. I got some new household items that I have built. I built a bookshelf. So I'm pretty handy dandy. But, yeah. So, alright, I don't know where that's, it's like a lavender smell? I don't know. It just, it smells nice. It's just weird, but whatever. That's it. I don't have any more items for today. And with the amount of editing I'm probably going to have to do, because these videos were not perfect, but it's all a learning experience. So hopefully you guys like the videos. Hopefully people actually watch these videos. If you want to leave comments, go ahead. Pretty sure I made mistakes. I know I probably use one word over and over and over and over again, but this is not speech class, so I don't care. Yeah, and now tomorrow I will be buying Halloween items just because it's Friday the 13th. I know, but my husband said that he wanted to go buy Halloween items. He's not really a huge Halloween fan, but when he met me, he was like, oh my god. So I'm glad I was able to bring that to somebody else. And yeah, so I'll probably make a video tomorrow. If not, I'll make it on Saturday of the things that I got on Friday. But it's gonna be a slew of items, so it may be a little long video. But it's Halloween, so hello. It has to be long. It just has to be that great. Alright, well, hopefully you guys like my first couple of videos. And see you next time.